Aloha, this is Chef Maka Kwon, and we're in KTA Kitchens, and today we're going to do fried chicken with a Hawaiian chili lime vinaigrette. So first off, we're going to do our chicken because it's going to take the longest, and we're going to come back and do our vinaigrette. We have our chicken here that's been marinated in buttermilk and salt and pepper for about an hour, maybe a little bit longer. If you want to leave it overnight, it's fine. The buttermilk is going to break through that tissue, and it's going to make it much more tender. Okay, so let me pull out some chicken. We have the breast, the legs, the wings, all cut up in quarters. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on top. I mean, it just has more zestier flavor to it. And then you can season it again with salt and pepper a little bit more. But you want to get this black bean spice or this Cajun seasoning. It has this like smokiness and richness to it. It's going to kick up your chicken some more. And I usually put in my flour too. Because your flour just tastes like flour, but it tastes like good flour after you season it. Okay? I have the oil in the skillet, and if you don't have a skillet, you can use a cast iron pot, but something that's heavy duty that can hold its heat, hold its oil. Okay? So here we go. I'm going to dust our chicken. And be sure when you cook the chicken, you want to cook the biggest pieces longer and the smaller pieces for less time. Okay guys, our oil is heated up. Our chicken is in the flour. Now we just got to cook it. Okay, and it's going to take a while. It's going to take more than 10 minutes for these big ones and maybe like 7-8 minutes on the small ones. Just be patient. And don't drop it in the oil, okay? Like place it in the oil. You drop it in, you're going to get burned. If you feel that your heat is too high, go ahead and turn it down. It's okay. Okay guys, we're back. Vinaigrette time, okay? So what I got some limes, a bunch, maybe 4 or 5 that I squeezed already in here. And then I'm gonna add all these other ingredients, which I got some fresh cilantro that's been chopped, some lemongrass, ginger, some garlic, some Hawaiian chili peppers, some brown sugar, a bit of soy, fish sauce, and some canola oil. I'm gonna just add all these ingredients together. So we're adding my brown sugar, all my liquids in there. Ginger and garlic that's been smashed and minced. Hawaiian chili peppers for that huge spice. Lemongrass. Cilantro. Green onions, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. First off, before I add the oil, I'm gonna whisk all the ingredients inside. So, I mean, you guys ever had Korean chicken? So this is kind of my take on Korean chicken, but with more aromatic flavor and a lot of spiciness. And you wanna definitely go and taste it. See if you have enough sugar, see if you have enough spice. That's good. Now we're gonna add our oil. It's the oil, you may set to the top later on in your refrigerator. It's okay, just go back and shake it or whisk it in. And you can use this on anything. You can use this instead of fried chicken, you use this on like fried fish, you know, beef if you want. Act like it's a chimichurri. But this stuff, I like putting it on fried chicken. And don't forget, check your chicken over here, okay? It's okay to cheat. All right. Remember now, the larger ones are gonna take longer, the small ones are gonna take faster. Guys, welcome back. The chicken is done. I got some vinaigrette kind of on it. I'm gonna put a little bit more on top. And you know, if you've eaten this chicken, because it's kind of spicy, a lot of savoriness, some white wine, a nice Riesling, maybe a good beer, ice cold beer. Whatever way you want, chicken is amazing. Here, a little bit more sauce. And if you know what, if you got a lot of sauce left over, put in a jar, save it. Cook it with your fish, put it with a piece of steak. And if you want these recipes, you can go to ktasuperstores.com/recipes. This is Maka Kwon saying, I'll see you guys next time. Bite the chicken. Oh no, delicious.